Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 185 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, it is unfortunate that such a legislation is brought at the fag end of the session, and I can tell you that in 1953 on an amending bill, I argued those very points on which the amending act of 1956 was subsequently brought, and also this amending bill is now brought. At least, sir, the ministers don't want to change anything in this house because it is coming at the end of the session, and on that account further amending bills are later coming forward. It is because they are not understanding our viewpoint. Now, sir, the intention of government was quite clear in 1953 in the matter of transfers and closures and all that. But we asked them to clarify it, and they did not clarify it. They clarified it in 1956 about transfers. Our main aim or our main intention is that no workman should suffer for want of work, but if he is given another job, if we give him other work on the same conditions by transfer of service, he would not suffer for want of work. That point was rejected in 1953, and the amending bill was brought in 1956. Now, sir, about closures. Closures are of two types. If there be accumulation of stocks or financial difficulties, the concerns will reopen. But there are closures of another type for reasons for which the concerns will never reopen or which will be razed to the ground. The machinery will be scrapped and the production which is existing will never be carried on. Even in such cases, sir, I know the intention of the Honorable Minister is to give compensation, and I think, sir, whatever may be the intention of government, whatever we argue will not be fully realized. But I can say that the implication of this is that when a concern is to be scrapped, then the workers are to be given compensation to the extent of 30 or 40 years of their service and 15 days pay, and the amounts may go to the extent of 12 to 15 lakhs of rupees, and the creditors who are there may not be paid at all. So let us understand the position of earthquake in certain cases.